This is a Bosenbergia, one of the Bosenbergia. The correct species name I'll write in the title of the video. And these Bosenbergia are one of the branch of the Zingiber family, Zingiberaceae. And the Zingiber family is very large, and it's a nice thing for people to grow and collect and all. And also many of them are useful. They have a lot of herbal properties and all. Most famous being our common ginger. Then among the other, this is the most delicate of the ginger family members. If it is exposed to hot sun and all, it will die, shrivel up, and kind of vanish. And then otherwise in the summer season, like all other gingers, it dries up, and the top part dries up, and then when the rainy season comes, it grows once again, new thing, just like that galangal and not galangal, curcuma, then all the zingiber. So like that, some of the members of this family, they dry up in the summer. Some of them are perennial, that is, that green part, upper part, it never dries up, like this like cardamom and all, that amomum. So this is, anyway, this is it has emerged, one plant only I have here, and it has emerged from here, from there. Then this is also, it is edible in some countries, Indonesia and all, and I think in Kerala also it is used as a culinary finger ginger, it is called. So after I write the botanical name, people who are interested can research little bit on internet sources about these plants, herbal and other things, how to use and all that. As far as growing is concerned, it grows just like ferns, that is, not much roots are there, so it is prone to rotting. You have to make sure there is no water logging as such, and little bit sandy substrate is nice for it. Sandy along with, otherwise it's not much demanding. Only thing is it has to be grown in shade net outside the Western Ghats region. So mainly about that. And flowers are like this, small, inconspicuous flowers. Still intricate and interesting only to look at. And then seeds and all later as it emerges to cover. So this is a detailed video on this Bosenbergia. And many Bosenbergias are there. There is one Nilgiris Bosenbergia, and like that northeast also has Arunachal Pradesh and all. It's a big family and beautiful little plants. And it's only meant for advanced gardeners. I don't think for beginners, regular turmeric and all is a better bet.